How to change your age on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your age on Instagram. First of all, launch open the Instagram app. Make sure to log into your account. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you want to find the option of Account Center. Select that. Here, you will find the option of Personal Details under Account Settings. Select that. Now you will have the option of date of birth. Tap on that. Now tap on edit. Now over here you will get to edit your date of birth. Go ahead and enter that. If you had already previously changed your date of birth, you will find the option of selecting that. Go ahead and select it. If it has been more than 3, then you will have to tap on this contact us option to edit your date of birth. Once you have done the changes, tap on the save option at the bottom of your screen, and in this way you can easily change your age on Instagram. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.